What if you could turn your laptop into a $5,000 a month money machine? In 2025, AI-powered content creation is the ultimate shortcut for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and side hustlers to generate serious income online. By leveraging cutting-edge AI tools, you can produce high-quality content at scale, attract massive audiences, and monetize your efforts through blogs, social media, videos, or digital products. In this step-by-step guide, we will reveal the secrets to earning $5,000 a month using AI, no matter your experience level. Get ready to unlock a world of opportunity with tools that work smarter, not harder, to build your content empire. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche with AI research tools. The first secret to hitting $5,000 a month is picking a niche that's both profitable and manageable. Your niche should align with your interests while having strong audience demand and monetization potential, such as personal finance, health and wellness, or tech tutorials. To identify a winning niche, use free AI-powered tools like Google Trends to analyze search trends over time. Enter terms like budgeting tips or home workouts to see if interest is growing. Another free tool, Answer the Public, uses AI to generate questions people are asking online, such as how to save money fast or best yoga for beginners, helping you pinpoint specific sub-niches with less competition. Step 2. Create a content strategy with AI writing assistance. Once you've nailed your niche, it's time to plan a content strategy that maximizes output and impact. Free AI writing tools like Grok, available with limited quotas on grok.com, or ChatGPT's free tier, are game changers for brainstorming and structuring content. Input prompts like generate a 30-day content plan for a personal finance, blog to get ideas for articles, social media posts, or video scripts, such as 5 ways to cut expenses in 2025, or how to invest $100 wisely. These tools can also draft full outlines or scripts, ensuring your content has a compelling intro, actionable advice, and a call to action to keep audiences engaged. Plan to produce at least 10 to 15 pieces of content per month, mixing blog posts, short videos, and social media updates to diversify your reach. Step 3. Generate high-quality blog content with AI. Blogging is a cornerstone of AI-powered content creation, driving traffic and affiliate revenue. Tools like Jasper AI's free trial or Grok can produce SEO-optimized blog posts in minutes, saving you hours of writing. For example, input a prompt like write a 1,000-word article on budgeting for beginners and tweak the output to match your voice. To boost rankings, use free tools like Ubersuggest, which provides AI-driven keyword suggestions, such as Budgeting Tips 2025 or Save Money Fast. Incorporate these keywords into your title, headings, and body to attract organic traffic from Google. With consistent posting, a blog in a high-demand niche can generate $1,000 to $2,000 a month within 6-12 months, forming a key pillar of your $5,000 goal. Step 4. Produce viral social media content with AI. Social media is your megaphone for reaching millions, and AI makes it easier to create viral posts. Canva's free AI text-to-image generator creates eye-catching graphics for Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, such as infographics on 10 money-saving hacks or motivational quotes for fitness niches. Pair these visuals with captions written by Grok or ChatGPT using prompts like write a catchy Instagram caption for a fitness tip. For short-form videos, tools like Lumen5's free plan transform blog posts into engaging reels or TikToks with AI-selected visuals and transitions. Monetize social media through sponsored posts, worth $100-$500 each once you hit 10,000 followers, or affiliate links in bio. Step 5. Create faceless YouTube videos with AI tools. YouTube is a goldmine for passive income, and faceless videos let you cash in without showing your face. Free tools like Synthesia's limited tier create videos with AI avatars narrating your script, perfect for tutorials or listicles in your niche. For example, a finance channel could produce 7 ways to boost your credit score with a virtual presenter. Alternatively, Lumen5's free plan generates slideshow-style videos from scripts, ideal for top 10 content. Use Canva to design clickable thumbnails with bold text and vibrant colors to increase click-through rates. Add AI-generated voiceovers from ElevenLabs' free tier for professional narration, syncing them in DaVinci Resolve, a free video editor with AI features like auto color correction. Publish 1-2 videos weekly, optimizing titles and descriptions. with TubeBuddy's free keyword tool to rank higher. Step 6. Optimize content for SEO and discoverability. To maximize earnings, your content must be easy to find. Free AI tools like Ubersuggest and TubeBuddy help optimize blogs and videos for search engines. For blogs, include primary keywords in titles, meta descriptions, and throughout the text, aiming for a keyword density of 1–2%. For social media, add relevant hashtags generated by tools like Hashtagify's free version to boost discoverability. Step 7. Automate and batch content creation. The secret to hitting $5,000 a month is efficiency, and AI enables you to automate and batch content creation. Use tools like Zapier's free plan to automate tasks, such as scheduling social media posts or sending blog drafts to your CMS. Batch create content by dedicating 1 day a week to writing 5–10 blog posts with Jasper or Grok, another to designing visuals with Canva, and a third to editing videos with DaVinci Resolve. For example, spend a morning scripting 10 YouTube videos with ChatGPT, then record voiceovers and compile visuals over 2 days, key to keeping algorithms and audiences engaged, while scaling your output without burnout. Step 8. Diversify revenue streams with AI-created products. To reach $5,000 a month, diversify beyond ads and affiliates by creating digital products with AI. Use Canva to design ebooks or printable planners, such as a 30-day budgeting challenge for your finance niche, selling them on Gumroad for $10–50 each. AI writing tools can draft ebook content, while Canva handles visuals, keeping costs at zero. Alternatively, create online courses using Synthesia to produce video lessons, hosting them on free platforms like Teachable's Basic Plan. Promote these products through your blog, YouTube, or social media, using AI-generated email campaigns from ChatGPT to nurture leads. Step 9. Analyze performance and scale with AI analytics. To sustain and grow your $5,000 monthly income, analyze what's working and scale it. Google Analytics Free tracks blog traffic, showing which posts drive the most affiliate clicks. YouTube Analytics reveals top-performing videos, letting you double down on similar topics. For social media, tools like Instagram Insights, free, highlight high engagement posts, guiding your content strategy. Use VidIQ's free tier for AI-driven competitor analysis to see what's trending in your niche. If a video on saving for retirement performs well, create a series on related topics. Experiment with new formats like YouTube Shorts or Twitter Threads to test audience response. Your $5,000 a month content empire awaits. AI-powered content creation is your ticket to earning $5,000 a month in 2025, whether you're blogging, posting on social media, or running a YouTube channel. These secrets, choosing a niche, leveraging free AI tools, optimizing for discoverability, and diversifying revenue. Ready to build your content empire today? Dive into these tools and watch your income soar. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.